Hi! It's really challenging nowadays to find the best products. It would be awesome if you can find a reliable source to know which products are the best. That's why we came here to help you to choose the best product that can bring the best output that you're looking for. In this video, we have listed the top 5 best products. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge. However, there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, we did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding tables from reputable brands. So let's get started. Number 1. Stronghand Nomad Portable Welding Table. The Stronghand Nomad Portable Welding Table offers a thoughtful design with useful features, such as the ability to connect the table to other Nomad tables. They're designed to use a central tabletop piece that attaches to a Nomad at each end, creating a single table 80 inches long. This table has 3 clamping slots over an inch wide. Its working surface is 30 inches long by 20 inches wide, and made of rugged 14-gauge steel. The Stronghand Nomad Portable Welding Table height is adjustable between 26 and 32 inches. It's also got a top that can be angled at 30 degrees or folded for storage. There are 2 casters for easy positioning. The Stronghand Nomad Portable Welding Table has 1 adjustable foot to help level the table, but should probably have 2. It's very sturdy, weighing only 42 pounds, but able to support 350 pounds. Some owners complain of faulty fasteners, but these complaints aren't common. No fixture hardware comes with this table, but it's compatible with the very high-quality Build Pro fixtures, also made by Stronghand. This is a great choice for an inexpensive table to take on the truck to do field repairs. It also has an adjustable feature that allows for positioning the tabletop plus 90 degrees around one axis, with 3 long slots to attach clamps to it. It's much smaller than most other tables, but for a light portable option at a low cost, we're happy to recommend it to anyone wanting a low-priced option with slightly lower quality. Positive side of this product: low cost. Table size: 30x20. Adjustable height: 26 to 32. Weight: 30 pounds. Load capacity: 350 pounds. Adjustable angle plus 90 degrees. 1 clamping slots. Connects to other Nomad tables. Folds for storage. Casters for easy movement. Negative side of this product: not 100% stable. Doesn't include clamps. Low quality. Number 2. Dual Adjustable Portable Steel Welding Table. The Dual Adjustable Portable Steel Welding Table has a long rectangular tabletop with holes, 18x 46 inches. It's made of heavy 14-gauge steel, with a 1,000-pound capacity. The legs fold for storage and feature a double locking system. It's designed to use on a bench top, or with the legs extended. The height is adjustable in 1-inch increments from 28 to 36 inches. This table weighs 40 pounds with a built-in carrying handle. There is a tool ring built into one end of the Dual Adjustable Portable Steel Welding Table, to hold your torch, hammer or other tools while you work. Dual included a grounding stud on the end of the table as well. Some owners pointed out the tool ring and grounding stud interfere with storing the table on end. Another, slightly odd complaint is a huge sticker that covers much of the table. Several owners said it took longer to remove the sticker than it did to assemble the table. Positive side of this product: foldable legs. Cord minder. Negative side of this product: tool ring interferes with storing on end. Giant sticker in the way of setup. Number 3. Eastwood Adjustable Steel Welding Table. Eastwood's welding table can be set up in 3 angle positions for versatile use. The top angle provides maximum comfort when you are using the slots with C-clamps for secure holding of the welding material. The slots are 1.1 inches wide for easy clamp configuring. The tabletop measures 30x 19.88 inches and offers you a plated work surface for 14 gauges for welding large materials. Besides, the table can handle a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds. The height of the table is 32.88 inches, with an angle range from level position of 86 degrees. These dimensions provide maximum comfort and allow for a convenient welding experience. Positive side of this product: it is adjustable and flexible. It offers you 3 angles positions. Number 4. Kaspers KF3002 Portable Welding Table. When it comes to strength and mobility, Kaspers has a real head on its hands. For starters, the work surface is strong and adequate. It supports plenty of weight, and is even meant for commercial and heavy-duty welding jobs. So, users won't have problems with placing their materials and parts on it. All of that is possible, thanks to the usage of steel in the table's production process. That makes the whole model increasingly long-lasting. Because of the wheels, it's very mobile as we previously mentioned. That makes it easy to transport as well as store. While we're talking about storage, the table has a special tray below the tabletop for storing tools, parts, materials or something similar. There are 4 heavy-duty swivels. They're 3 inches each. What's more, these swivels have braking capabilities. In turn, that increases the stability and minimizes any potential movements or shakes which may potentially disrupt your welding. Number 5. Pegasus MultiFunction Folding Work Table. The reason why it's praised is the versatility of the table. It can function as a workbench, a welding table, a sawhorse, a workbench and such. With that being said, it supports a maximum of 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. If you use it as a work table, the number is 300 pounds. Besides this table is versatile when it comes to the materials you can use. That's why it comes with 4 clamp dogs as well as 2 quick clamps. Plus, the design is pretty lightweight and compact. Welders can fold it easily for transportation, so you can fit it anywhere, especially in tight spaces. For all those who want additional work surface, there's an option for connecting it to other models. That can be done due to special joiners. It's worth noting that a couple of customers weren't extremely satisfied with how strong the lower folding shelf is. Also, clamping on the wing's underside may be an issue for some. Designed to sustain hard impacts and support the weight of the materials you're working with, the manufacturer thought of making the table from a durable material. Moreover, it's high-impact or heavy-duty plastic. The width of the clamps can go up to 18 inches. That is just okay for regular tasks to be performed hassle-free. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.